Now.
All right, today gonna be doing the tranipan in my 87 Cutlass with 307. This is a 200, what is it, 204R or something like that. It's the 4-speed one. Right now I'm gonna do the tranipan, the filter, and the transmission mount. I'm just cracking all the 1/2-inch bolts. Gotta crack them because somebody tightened the hell out of them. It's leaking a lot of tranny fluid. I'm gonna do this for now. And if it's the front or rear seal, then that's gonna be fun. I still gotta pull the motor up a little bit and do the oil pan. It's leaking so much. That's gonna be fun if everybody knows that. For the oil pan, gotta remove the motor mounts, distributor cap, radiator, the fan shroud. Gotta replace the motor mounts anyways. You gotta lift it up a little bit just to get the oil pan off and remove the crossover pipe from the exhaust. Be a good time to upgrade the exhaust. You wanna, when you're doing a tranipan, you don't want to leak it all out. You want to crack them all, remove them, and remove. And when you drop it, drop one side down. That way you can catch it slowly while you pull it all down. I know there's a lot of people that do the same thing. You don't gotta do it exactly like me. It works for you. I'll give you the part number for this that I have. Anybody's if interested. Just got it from AutoZone. You wanna make sure you secure the car good. Wish I had a lift. Where is it? It's stuck in here. It's so greasy, it's so dirty under here. Eventually I'll probably be removing this motor and doing the 327 that's in my Impala. Now let's swapping the Impala. A little more reliability. Maybe I'll swap this eventually. I know there's a lot of controversy with it. To each is their own. We're back now. I cracked it a little bit. Always make a mess. Just letting it drain out a little bit. Someone put a lot of glue on here. Don't do that. Clean the surface and just put a little bit of RTV in there. That's it. Don't need that much. If you're putting that much on, then you probably got a bad surface you didn't clean right or dirty pen. Holds a lot of fluid. Nasty in there. go ahead and get out of here, clean it up real quick, and I'll bring you back when I got the pan outside. All right, now I'm cleaning the pan. So this is what the 2R one looks like, the 200R. It's a metric 200 and the metric 200R 4 or whatever. It's a 4-speed. You gotta make sure you clean this very, very, very well. There's no point in doing this if you don't clean it right. I'm gonna scrape all this gasket off. It was dented in for some reason, so I'm gonna just carefully hammer it. I'm not gonna buy another one. Don't need to. Looking good. Now I'm just gonna get busy on scraping it. Do a little time lapse so it won't get boring. Everybody's seen cleaning. All right, let me do a part 2 a little bit later. Got to get going.